In order to prep for Lesson 2, you need to put 5 prilled iodine crystals in each plastic tub and securely put the lids on about 20 minutes before the lesson begins. Next, you want to fill the 15 spray bottles with about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and then fill the rest with water. Be sure to shake the bottles thoroughly before handing them out to each of the groups. In a well-ventilated area, you will hand out 4 index cards to each student using gloves. Students will write their names on the lined side of the index card and flip it over without touching the blank side. Students should then rub their palms on an oily part of their face, such as their forehead. Then they will firmly press their palm on the note card. You can now hand out 1 plastic tub containing the iodine prilled crystals to each group. Students will gently bend the index card in half with the lined side facing up. Place both of the cards inside the plastic tub so they are not sitting on top of each other. You should leave the index card in the plastic container for about 10 to 12 minutes. You can now hand out 1 fingerprint ink pad per group. The students can practice making patent palm prints by gently pressing their palms into the ink pad and then pressing their palms onto the blank side of a new index card. They can try this with both palms and their fingertips. After about 10 to 12 minutes, students may take the lid off the plastic tub and remove their index cards. They should then put the lid back on the plastic tub once the index card has been removed. Lastly, students can now spray the index card with starch water to reveal the palm print. For Activity 2, students should examine their palm prints first, observing the unique lines and patterns for a few minutes. Have students write their observation in their student books. You can also examine your patent fingerprint and palm prints that students made with the ink pad and look for patterns, recording them in their student books.